Do you ever feel like you don't have enough time to learn English? هەرگیز هەست دەکەیت کە کاتت کەمە بۆ فێربوونی زمانی ئینگلیزی؟ One way to learn new English words faster is to focus on the words that English has borrowed from the Kurdish language. ئەتوانی بە شێوەی خێراتر وشانی ئینگلیزی فێر بیت ئەگەر تەرکیز بکەیت لەسەر ئەو وشانە کە زمانی ئینگلیزی لە زمانی کوردیەوە وەریگرتووە. Today we have another word that is originally Kurdish and Persian that is now a part of everyday English. Badas bebekain, let's get started. The Kurdish word that we will focus on today that has become an English word is the word khaki or Khaki. Once again, we can thank the British Empire for the history of this word. Around 150 years ago, the British started using this word for the uniforms of some of their soldiers in India. The word khak means dust in Kurdish and Persian languages, and khaki means dusty. The color of khaki or khaki is a light brown or tan, the color of dust. Notice how the pronunciation of this word is close but different in Kurdish and in English. Khaki and khaki. In English spelling, we still have the KH at the front of the word khaki, which comes from the sound kh. But because most accents of the English language don't have that kh sound, it has become a hard K sound, ka, khaki. And the vowel A changes from an ah sound to the American ah sound, khaki. In modern English, we use this word khaki in two ways. First, we use it as the name of a color, like it is used in Kurdish. هەروەک لە زمانی کوردیدا لە زمانی ئینگلیزی وشەی کاکی بەکارهێنین بۆ ڕەنگێک کە لە خاک ئەچێت. We use khaki for a kind of tan color or light brown, but we also use it often for a kind of pants that are this same color. If you've been studying British English, when we say pants in American English, we mean trousers. هەروەها وشەی کاکی بەکارهێنین بۆ جۆری پانتۆڵ کە ڕەنگی خاکیە. In America, khaki pants are very common in semi-formal or business situations. They are the kind of pants that people like teachers or professors often wear. And we still have many kinds of military clothing also that includes khaki pants. Mamostagyan, do you wear khaki pants? Do you like them? Why or why not? Did you know that khaki is another Kurdish word hiding in the English language? If this was new information for you, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Agar am zanyariya taza bû bêt bo to, dikaya panje bine ba dukme like u subscribe ka bo am channel. Bijit mamostagyan. Just like the words caravan, karwan, and kushi, khosh, khaki is another word that is shared between the English and the Kurdish languages. Till tomorrow, hata sabene, Hafiz.